Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use a digital thermometer. So we have different types of thermometers. We have infrared thermometers, we have mercury thermometers, we have digital thermometers. The infrared thermometers are very popular now because of corona. We don't want to be using them on using a thermometer on different people, so we just use the infrared. It just senses your body temperature. However, today's video I'm talking about this digital thermometer. The mercury thermometer is very good. The problem is most people don't know how to use it, and the other limiting factor is that hospitals are very busy. You have many patients, and the mercury thermometers take a little bit more time. I'm going to show you how to use this. Maybe you're a mother at home, you have your children, you want to monitor their temperatures, they are sick, you want to know which exact number of temperature readings they're having. So this is a very good tool, and it is very affordable. Let's start. Before you use it, we recommend that you first clean it, maybe with baby wipes, maybe with alcohol, with whichever antiseptic you can. For this purpose, I'm using a cotton swab. It has some alcohol in it, so you just wipe it a little bit so that if you're using it on different people, you do not transfer infections from one person to the other. After cleaning it, it has a button here. I'm sure you're seeing this button. So you press that button. When you press it, it brings some digits. When it brings that, it is like a 7-figure. This means that it is ready to actually start recording your temperature. We have different parts on the body where we can record our body temperatures, like the oral or the buccal, call it the mouth. We also have the axillary, also known as the armpit. Then we also have the bum. For this video, I am going to be showing you how to use it, preferably in the armpit. It is one of the frequently used places, and it is very easy to use, very safe to use. So it's what I'm going to be using, but actually not on me, not on any other person, but I'm going to assume this is my armpit. This is my armpit. We said you switch it on, then when it brings that, it means that it is ready to take your temperature, and it usually makes a beep. So I'm holding it. Yeah, so you can see that it is reading some temperature. You see 33 point, no, actually it's 34.1. So you wait for it to read. Okay, let me just turn it. You hold it until it takes your temperature. When it makes that beep sound, you know that it has reached the maximum body temperature you're having at that point. It shows that it is 34.4. After using it, you take your reading. So if the child has a fever, whatever they told you to do is what you do. Then in hospitals, for nurses, doctors, they know what to do after that. It might be a normal temperature that you don't have to intervene. It might be a low-grade fever that actually you have to maybe do some intervention depending on your early interventions, or it might be a very high fever that you have to act immediately. After that, still we advise you clean it. I'm going to clean it with a cotton swab. We advise that you clean it and you keep it in the box. It usually comes in this plastic box. Then you've taken your temperature. Hope you've liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video and if you've learned something. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, comment in the section below. Follow me on my other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are down below. Bye, and see you next time.